Hey, I'm Mike, and I'm just creating a review video for SS7 traders. Yeah, the people are nice. Yeah, that's a fact. Because if you subscribe for the VIP, if you subscribe for the VIP, they send perfect signals. You'll never lose your money. If you use good money management in the end of the month, you'll receive perfect results. The help support is also very perfect because they reply very fast, even in late hours. So you can just trust the company. You can pay if you are interested. You can pay the VIP. You can pay for the VIP. Yeah, you can pay for the VIP. They also do copy trading, which they started a few days ago. And the VIP, actually, I've already told you guys, those guys are not joking. They are perfect. They send good signals. Yeah, that's all. The help support is also nice. You'll get your results. The results will be perfect if you trade perfectly, use good money management in the end of the month, or if you're just an investor, you want to withdraw your money later. Yeah, that's all, guys. Because if you're not a good trader, or if you have no time, you have other things to do. If you have any other things to do, like you have a part-time job, you cannot trade, just subscribe for the copy trading. They will set you up very easy. Yeah, and that's all. When the copy trading when the copy trading ends, you will receive your cash. And that's a fact. It's true, and it's happening, guys. Thank you.